Respected principal, vice principal, dear colleagues, and my lovely student. Good morning to the one and all. I am Poonam Tomar, class teacher of 12th standard. Warmly welcome everyone to our today's celebration on the eve of Independence Day. This day is of so much importance to the Indians as it is one of this day, that is 15th August, we won back our freedom from British rule. After independence, the natives of India could enjoy all fundamental rights. This was actually the dawn of new era for all the Indians who, after remaining in the bondages and slavery, could once again breathe in freely in their surroundings and live their lives on their own terms. History has it that how our forefathers and ancestors sacrificed everything and had to bear the torture inflicted by the Britishers. No matter how much we say that we can understand the plight of people living in those times, but we cannot emphasize with them. It looked a lot from them when India was finally granted the freedom in the year 1947, before which war continuously waged and bloodbath became a common occurrence in India. It was a struggle of several decades from 1857 onwards, which continued until 1947. Our great freedom fighters called Mangal Pandey was the first person in the British Army to raise his voice against the Britishers and caused a massive outrage amongst the people to free India from the chains of slavery. Post that, many freedom fighters had fought bravely and dedicated their whole life towards winning back their country's sovereignty. How can we forget the sacrifice made by Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, Khushi Ram Bose, who had lost their lives at a young age only to free their country from the grip of the Britishers? Moreover, how can we forget the sacrifice of Gandhiji and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose? Undoubtedly, Gandhiji was a great Indian person who had preached the world an important lesson of non-violence eventually. The long years of struggle finally yield fruits when on 15th of August 1947, India won back their precious freedom. Our India. Now we are living in a free India. We are extremely lucky to have such forefathers who gifted us a land where we could live freely and independently, and most importantly with a lot of peace, without having to worry about our rights and freedom. Our country is fast developing country in the field of science, technology, sports, education and finance, including various other fields, which was not possible in the pre-independence era. India is also developing a stronghold as a nuclear power. We are moving forward by actively participating in such sports as Commonwealth Games, Olympics, as well as Asian Games. As citizens of India, we have now got complete right to select our government and enjoy world's largest democracy. Yes, we enjoy full autonomy. However, we should not consider ourselves free from the responsibilities that we own towards our country. As the responsible citizen of our country, we should never hesitate to handle any condition of emergency on our land. This is all. This is all from my side. Let's say together, everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.